Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Give me 1 second here. I'm just going to share this video real quick. So yeah, just give me 1 second. Appreciate it. Um, 20 more seconds, or not even. All right. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Pretty solid week trading. Can't complain. Went 5 for 5 this week. Green days. Didn't have one red day, which is what I love to see. Just consistency. If I can pull a little money out of the market every single day, that's amazing. I'm not someone that swings for the fences, goes for these giant wins. Just give me the consistent, normal size wins every single day. And when I see the market having better conditions, I am more willing to put more risk on the table. But lately, it's been a whole lot of chop, so you just have to be careful and make sure that you're not, going too big when the market isn't presenting those opportunities. So today, overall market, we're in this channel still, and we bounced on the bottom, which is awesome to see. And now we reclaimed EMA, the 9 EMA. So it's looking nice to continue up here going into next week. But yeah, let's hop into some of the trades I made today. So first thing I traded today was NVIDIA. So NVIDIA had a massive day yesterday at post earnings, and we missed the 200 break, but this 200 level is very key. So I knew it's important to watch that as it's getting rejected here at pre-market. It did break above it in pre-market and then pulled back, so then we're watching this high here. And I got in for the break of 275 cents here, right here, that pre-market high for this pop-up. And I sold right around here. So a quick scalp off the open, didn't even catch the whole move. I caught like half the move, but made some good money on that. And then I played NVIDIA again because it was squeezing here within this triangle. And then it broke out, hard rejection, came back up, and it was testing this 202.75 level heavy, which was this previous high here, right? And a lot of selling pressure up there. But every time it came back down here, is getting bought out. There's a support level right here, as you can see. Like all these candles are holding this support level. So when we got a break above, I entered some calls there, took that up to here, and got out of there real quick. On Fridays, in and out scalps. We're trading same day options. These things move like crazy. So it's important that you take your profits quick and cut your losses extremely quick. Because one red candle on something like this, like you get one of these candles and you're gonna lose all of your premiums. So you have to be super quick with cutting your losses. Next trade I took was on Alibaba. This thing, it's not a usual play I would trade. Looking at the daily here, we have this massive downward resistance and we've been gapping down like crazy here, right? And I wouldn't normally play a bounce play like this, but this thing was extremely oversold, and I saw it having a ton of buying pressure in the pre-market hours. So I knew if we could break that pre-market high at 165.23, that would get a nice push up. So that's exactly what we played there. Played the break and sold right around here. I took profits pretty early. Again, caught about half the move on that. This could have been a bigger winner. I didn't size in at all, but totally fine with that. But yeah, and then I made one more play today, and it wasn't a good play, but I did get out green, thankfully, because it could have gotten bad. So I played Tesla. We're squeezing here again. We're hanging out, squeezing in, lower highs, higher lows, getting ready to break out, and did break out, pulled in, which I didn't like, but then this next candle opened green, so I entered on that. And then it popped up, came back in and I got out right here. I didn't get this, and honestly I'm glad, because if I were in for this move, I wouldn't have taken profits yet, because this candle ended very bullish. So the reason I got out here was because these candles were very hesitant. You know, there's these large wicks on the top here, very hesitant on these candles. But this candle's very bullish, so I would have stayed in for this candle, and it ended up just tanking below the VWAP, and I would have had to cut losses, and it would have been a pretty big loss. And yeah, but that was all the trades I took today. Pretty happy this week overall. You know, we took that big loss last Friday and made back a very good chunk of that loss this week. But I definitely am ready for the market to kind of pick back up again and be a little less choppy, so we can get some moves. Hopefully going into September we'll get a little less chop. So all right guys, I'm gonna end it here. Again, thanks for hopping on. This is a little earlier than usual, but it's Friday and a lot of times I'm busy later in the day on Friday, so just wanted to pound this out now. But yeah, have a great weekend guys. Later.